In this module, here we will learn about attracting high-paying clients. Who doesn't want to attract high-paying clients since they give you so much leverage? Now, let us jump in and learn more about this topic. First of all, you need to know what attracts high-paying clients. It's common sense that high price means better service. So we need to design high-end services. It's like selling a Mercedes instead of a Ford. And you need to put the commitment, time, and energy into developing high-end services and programs that will deliver higher-end results than you offered previously. Always aim to over-deliver and never under-deliver. Notice that I used Mercedes and Ford as an example from the previous point, and you're able to picture and compare the quality of both products? Why is that so? I didn't even come to the point where I compare the specs of both vehicles. Wait, how do you even know that Mercedes and Ford I'm referring to are vehicles? Thus, it all boils down to branding. Brand your products to the point when someone mentions your name, your company's name, or just by simply looking at your logo, they get the picture of what you're sampling and the supreme quality you're able to deliver. To do this, make a lasting impression to your clients. By giving a lasting impression to your audiences, your likelihood to attract high-paying clients will also increase. But make sure the impression you make's a good one, because good impression for a brand helps you in the long run, but a bad impression will haunt you for a long time. Be it personal or business branding, the better and more lasting good impression you give out to your audience, the more high-paying clients you attract. I know I've been speaking a lot about branding yourself. I can imagine that you're asking, hey, so how do I brand myself? Don't worry, I'm going to drop you a few tips on how to do it. To brand yourself, sending out marketing messages, materials, marketing strategies, and sales processes that communicate the message that you offer higher-end services is necessary. It's all about packaging your services at the high end, so that the perception, delivery, and outcomes of your services justify a high-end price tag. Makes sense, doesn't it? Most importantly, you must paint yourself as an authority if you want to brand yourself for success. What I mean is you want people to know you as someone who over-delivers, someone who provides incredible values and services, someone who cares, someone who knows his stuff, and someone who can bring them help and get them results. Also, when you want to brand yourself, you absolutely want to be branded as a rock star, right? Instead of just some other guy trying to make money. Notice that rock stars are people who create an exceptional experience and over-deliver every time. So be a rock star. Create a big group of raving fans for your brand. We don't want our clients to just like our products. We want them to be raving fans because they are clients who love doing business with us, stay with us, grow their business with us, and tell others about us. They're your loyal fans. This is an interesting topic, and I can't wait to share with you more about how to brand yourself as a world authority in so many ways and make yourself a big-ticket client magnet. I bet all of you here want to know it as well and apply it to your business. However, we will get to that in the coming module, so be sure to stick with me till then, all right? If you want to attract big-ticket clients, you yourself need to have the right mindset. Perhaps some of these are familiar to you. I'm not ready to attract high-end clients yet. I don't have the experiences and services to offer. I'm not the kind of person who makes a lot of money. If I made a lot of money, bad things would happen to me. Money is the root of all evil, and I want to be good. Good people aren't focused on making money. Only greedy, dishonest people are rich. It takes too much work to make lots of money. Making more money will turn me into a shallow person. These are limiting beliefs that will literally hold you back from reaching out to big-ticket clients. So what can you do from here? Change your mindset, because when you replace these limiting beliefs to expansive beliefs, everything changes. So change your thoughts to something like, we really are undercharging for our services in this marketplace, which makes us look less valuable than we really are. Time to raise our rates. The key here is to be confident. Don't be afraid, especially true when you know that your products can offer a lot of value to your clients. Those looking for a powerful and mind-blowing product or service focus on, of course, the content, which is also the meat. After all, this is what a product or service is all about, right? Would you pay more for a dry, bland piece of meat or a delicious, juicy, big piece of meat? You get the idea. The greater the content, the more high-paying clients we can attract. This is a no-brainer to anybody. So what makes the whole content look juicy? I can't emphasize this enough, but once again, the secret ingredient to attract high-paying clients is value. So deliver as much value as possible in anything you deliver. It's like glimmering gems that will attract the eyes of big-ticket clients. I hope from this module you're able to learn some tips on how to attract high-paying clients. All right, I'll see you in the next module.